Hi everyone. So this is the second part of the video series of how to create a workflow and also how to create a design architecture for Replit or any local tools. So the first video talked about how to create the GTA 5 clone and also showed an example how to create a workflow architecture, show how it works, and also be able to help you use prompts to create any kind of application and make sure it meets your requirements and also helps you to be able to make changes to specific parts of the application. So what I'm going to do now is to check our progress so far. So this is where we stopped. It took about an hour for this application. So I'm going to test it to show you. So click on new tab. So going to the page is loading. This is how the game works. Let's see how it goes. So we have story mode, GTA settings, exit. Well, this is not really looking at what I expected, but there could be more improvements. But just this is a simple example because we didn't specify how the splash screen will look like. This is what Replit gave us. So I will make a separate tutorial of how you'll be able to work and create a specific, maybe for example, work on different parts of it, maybe design it the way you want. But for now, this tutorial is going to also show us how to be able to work on a specific part of that initial architecture we had and also make improvements on it. So I'll choose one of these. I click on story mode. Let's see what we got. So, so Michael DeSanta from Clinton. It doesn't have any audio, so we just have to see the text. Okay. Now, the idea of this video is not necessarily going to just improve this game, but the idea is for us to work on a specific part of the application. So it's saying we should use WASD keys to move. So I tap WASD, click on space to jump, F to interact, and shift. You can see anything, click on tab. Press tab again to switch to travel. But however, with all this we're having, we want to make more improvements on this. So we would want to refer to this old prompt we had. So we are going to look at anything we can improve. So let's see. I know in the last video we talked about working on the tutorial page, but let's see whether we can make some improvement on what we've seen so far. Maybe we've seen things we don't like. So this one, I think it seems to work properly. It was loading, it showed all those loading and transition and the progress bar, loading screen. So let's see. Now, if you come here in the architecture, you have splash screen, story mode, GTA. So we would choose, instead of, now it took us to the main. So this, I believe this is the main menu as well. So this is the main menu as well. So if you're following this part, loading screen and main menu, this is still the main menu. So we would want to follow, make an improvement on this part here. So like the simple single player loading, prologue, and these other ones. So we will we'll go back to, so take note of this. I could copy it. I go to Replit. So I would say I couldn't see images, couldn't see anything, couldn't see much, even the characters background, etc. Please improve, please ensure everything that should appear in these workflows are visible, interactive, and work as they should. So we'll want to improve this workflow, story mode. And in addition, I also refer to that particular file. So I'm going to refer to this file here. So everyone, if you remember this, go to open files. You remember this attached assets. So say, go here to a new line. If you want to go to a new line, you use Shift Enter to go to a new line. Say, please refer to the prompt in the GTA V game docs to ensure every feature is included. So press enter. So let's see how long this is going to take us. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Let's see how this is going to take us. Okay, so I'll pause this video and then continue when it's finished.